So inappropriate and other capacity to cause great offence to members of the school community, for which we would like to offer sincere and full apology. As such, we've taken immediate action to investigate the matter further. This has included the removal of the resource from the materials, the suspension of that lesson content from the scheme of work.
We want the teacher on.
To finish this argument,
He's a danger to kids. This is a danger to kids. He's not going to be a paedophile. I mean, that's going to come out later on. We don't accept that.
That teacher is not at the school today.
Doesn't matter. He's still getting paid. Sat at home.
That's fine.
Yeah.
Where are you going? Where are you going?
At home. He won his resignation. That's what he won. He won a public apology from him, and he was fired from the place.
Saying that he sacked the teacher now.
That's what we want.
Why the head teacher not apologising?
Yeah, we're going to move.
Prosecutors.
Gracias.